Coronavirus, the virus which is leading the world. It's a pandemic. It's a panic. World is all shut down for the first time ever in the history. The great nations has huge loss of economy. The nations are panic. All nations are fighting together. Come, let's fight. Hello friends, hope everyone is doing well during this lockdown period. We are making a small attempt to make this video for you on COVID-19. My friends are going to share you some information on COVID-19. What precautions do you need to take, how this COVID-19 spread, and how do you spend your lockdown period. All this information will be shared by my friends. So let's listen to their views, let's listen to their suggestions, and let's follow some positive suggestions from them. Thank you.
The first case of coronavirus is detected in November last year. So she was a 55-year-old woman from Yukon province. She is from market area, live market area.
This is a droplet infection, spreads from one person to another person through the droplets from one person to the other person's mouth, eyes or nose. World is really worried about the pandemic nature of this COVID-19. The reason being is the number of cases reported. The world as of now got reported around 18 lakh cases, out of which 1,10,000 were reported to die, and out of them around 4 lakh people got recovered. The worrying reason for which half of the world is almost locked down is the amount of active cases. Almost 12,70,000 cases were active as of today, and out of which around 12 lakh cases were showing mild symptoms, and 50,000 cases are showing serious or critical cases. Well, there are some positive takeaways from this COVID-19 reported cases as well. Out of the 18 lakh cases reported, 5 lakh 20,000 cases have got some outcome. That is, 4 lakh 11,000 cases got discharged from the hospitals, and 1 lakh 11,000 cases were reported casualties, that of deaths. So what we understand from these numbers is around 6% of mortality rate is there. Out of 100 people getting infected, only 6 are dying.
If you see the total number of cases from January to April, it's a rapid increase. It's like almost 1 to 20 lakhs. Look at total deaths from January to April, it's a rapid increase in death rate also. It's like 1 to 1,14,000.
The most infected country with this COVID-19 is United States. Almost more than 6 lakh positive cases were detected, and more than 28,000 deaths were occurred during this crisis and during this pandemic.
The least affected country will be Yemen in Middle East. Only one case as of now, and there are no deaths.
How do this COVID-19 spread, that is coronavirus?
COVID-19 is a highly infectious disease which is caused by SARS-CoV-2 virus.
People may catch with COVID-19 if the person is interacting with another person who is already infected with COVID-19.
By touching the droplets that are present on the surfaces of the objects, like grocery items, fruits, which.
What are the symptoms of COVID-19?
High fever above 100 and 101.
You may feel exhausted and tired.
Difficulty in breathing.
And dry cough. If you feel all the symptoms, please do call state or central helpline numbers.
What are the precautions you need to take during this crisis?
Maintain social distancing, stay home, stay safe.
Wash your hands frequently. Clean vegetables and fruits by soaking them in salt.
Improve your immunity by eating foods containing vitamin C and vitamin D. Well, there are some positive takeaways from this COVID-19 reported cases as well. Out of the 18 lakh cases reported, 5 lakh 20,000 cases have got some outcome. That is, 4 lakh 11,000 cases got discharged from the hospitals, and 1 lakh 11,000 cases were reported casualties, that of the deaths. So what we understand from these numbers is around 0. Around 6% of mortality rate is there. I mean, out of 100 people getting infected, only 6 are dying.
How do we spend our lockdown?
Be a family man. Spend time with your family.
Learn some new technologies if you wish.
Play some games, online or physical.
Cooking yummy dishes for your family.
Maintain social distancing. Stay home. Stay safe. After considering the number of reported cases, one is really worried about are we safe in the present scenario or not. So to understand that, there is a NGO which is giving us the accurate details of the positive reported case near to us. Okay, so you can navigate to the link here and get the details.
Friends, hope you got some few information on COVID-19 and some suggestions and views from my friends. Please stay home, stay safe, maintain social distancing and follow government rules and regulations. Thank you.